Hi, it's Nancy with My Mom's Bows, and today we're going to do an unpacking. I ordered some ribbons, and let's open the box and see what we have. Okay, for starters, we're going to take out our packing slip and the packing paper, and let's see what goodies we've got. We've got some black and white ribbon. I like the swirls on that. That's going to be a good staple for when I need some black and white ribbon. I love this denim ribbon. This is a 1.5 inch ribbon. Denim is a good staple ribbon that I have. And this, oh my goodness, this is a new ribbon. I haven't used this ribbon before. It is a green ribbon with a little bit of yellow and blue and a tad bit of fuchsia mixed in there. I don't know if you can see that. But this I will use as a backup ribbon to complement a specialty ribbon, or I may even use it as a specialty ribbon, highlight ribbon. And I got 3 rolls of it. This is a Christmas plaid. I just love the gold accent in there. A lot of Christmas plaids has red in it. This actually has a wine burgundy in it. And I love that emerald green that is in there. And a sparkly red. And I like the sparkly red. This can be used either in Christmas or Valentine's or in every day. So this is pretty versatile. And then we have a red and canvas colored plaid. This has a little bit of gold running through it, so it actually can be used for Christmas, or it can be used for every day. You can actually use this in Valentine's as well, so it's very versatile. And last but not least, this didn't take very long to go through this box, did it? Last but not least, we have this very unusual khaki colored gingham print, very teeny tiny gingham print. This is going to be a very good ribbon to use in farmhouse bows or just in any type of staple bow. And that is it. This, as you can see, is our treasure for this box. Check back with me from time to time. If I have another big or medium size ribbon order come in, we might do another unboxing. You can see what treasures that we have. Again, this is Nancy with My Mom's Bows.